Are you ready to tell what time is it? Oh yes, today we are going to learn on how to tell the time. Every day, 24 hours a day, 60 minutes an hour, 60 seconds a minute, it's one must learn and understand how to tell the time at any point of the day. Are you ready? Ang parating tandaan na may 3 pointers ang orasan. Ito ay ang tinatawag nating second hand, minute hand, and hour hand. Tingnan nga natin kung marunong na kayong magtingin sa orasan. Item number 1. What time is it? The time is 4 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. What time is it? The time is 5 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. What time is it? The time is 11 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. What time is it? The time is 8 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. What time is it? The time is 9 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. What time is it? The time is 12 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. What time is it? The time is 4:50 or 10 minutes before 5 o'clock. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. What time is it? The time is 5:10 or 10 minutes after 5. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. What time is it? The time is 5:55 or 5 minutes before 6. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. What time is it? The time is 11:50 or 10 minutes before 12. Kindly repeat. Tandaan ang mga sumusunod. Kadalasan ang orasan ay mayroong dalawang kamay, subalit may mga orasan na kasali na rin ang pangatlong kamay. Ang una nating tatalakayin ay ang mahaba pero manipis na kamay. Ang tawag dito ay second hand. Ito ay tumutukoy sa segundo o seconds. Ito ay umiikot at bawat ikot nito ay katumbas ng 1 minuto o 1 minute. Ang long hand o minute hand ay mahaba rin pero mas mataba kaysa second hand at ito ay tumutukoy sa minuto. Ang pangatlong kamay ay maikse at ito ay tumutukoy naman sa oras. Ang orasan ay umiikot mula 12 pababa pa kanan, paikot hanggang aakyat at muli itong dadaanan ang number 12. Ang tawag dito ay clockwise direction. Sa unang ikot ng second hand ay mayroong 60 seconds at katumbas nito ay ang 1 minuto. Sa buong ikot ng minute hand, katumbas nito ay 1 oras. Ang 24 hours ay katumbas ng 1 araw. Sana may natutunan kayo today, class. Bye-bye! This is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Yung mga batang gustong matuto ng mathematics, join lang po kayo. Libre lang po ito.